To perform the spray head and bypass calibration, start by ensuring the spray head is installed and verify the correct one is being used. Insert an empty funnel into the rails. Place empty graduated vessel, minimum 128 ounces, under brew funnel. To begin, press and hold the right hidden button until the display reads Recipes. Then press and hold the right hidden button until the display reads Calibration and press Select. Display reads Spray ounces per minute. The number represents what the brewer thinks is the flow rate out of that spray head. Select the menu by depressing the center hidden button until Spray Head Cal screen appears. Select the menu by depressing the center hidden button. Note: use the upper right hidden button to scroll to the desired left or right spray head or bypass calibration menu. Once desired calibration menu is displayed, select by depressing the center hidden button to prompt Container Ready message. Depress the button under Yes. Ensure graduated vessel is empty now. Follow the prompted screen. To start, press Brew to begin the 60-second dispense procedure. After the 60-second dispense procedure, measure away the collected volume and enter the amount into the Enter Ounce menu by utilizing the minus or plus buttons. When finished entering the amount, press the center button under Done. The brewer will display New Spray or Bypass ounces per minute flow rate. The brewer calibration procedure is now complete. Your soft heat brewer and server system is now ready for use.